People of Islamabad are blessed with beautiful Margalla hills. After rain, the city looks and feels so clean, and the view of Margalla is just amazing with no pollution in the air. Life is not about having things to enjoy, it's all about enjoying life with the things that we have. The greatest moments in life are not concerned with selfish achievement, but rather with the things we do for the people we love. Walt Disney said very beautifully. It's like the same, another quotation. Families are the compass that guide us. They are the inspiration to reach great heights and our comfort when we occasionally falter.